Looking for the best home toolkits to handle repairs, installations, or DIY projects? In this video, we break down the top kits that offer durability, versatility, and serious value, perfect for beginners and growing DIY enthusiasts. From compact essentials to fully loaded sets, these toolkits make everyday fixes easier and more efficient. Be sure to check the links in the description box below to explore every kit we feature. Let's get started. Number 1 is the CRESCENT 180-piece professional tool set, known for offering one of the most complete and dependable tool selections for home and garage use. It includes a wide assortment of sockets, wrenches, ratchets, screwdrivers, and hex keys, all neatly organized in a strong, compact carrying case that's easy to transport. CRESCENT has earned a long-standing reputation for producing professional-grade tools, and this kit clearly reflects that quality. Each tool is made from chrome vanadium steel, providing excellent durability and resistance to corrosion. Whether you're handling small electrical repairs, tightening loose plumbing connections, or performing routine maintenance on your car, this set supplies the versatility and reliability needed to take on everyday projects with confidence. Number 2 is the Amazon Basics 173-piece General Household Hand Tool Set, a great option for anyone seeking solid value at a budget-friendly price. It includes a versatile mix of essentials like a claw hammer, tape measure, pliers, screwdrivers, and even a level, making it useful for a wide range of small home repairs. Despite being affordable, the tools are comfortable to hold and practical for everyday tasks. It's ideal for students, first-time homeowners, or setting up a spare toolkit. While it's not built for heavy-duty or professional use, this kit delivers all the basic tools most DIYers need to handle routine household fixes without buying extras. Number 3 is the STANLEY 65-piece home tool set, a compact, versatile toolkit designed for everyday household tasks. Known for decades of reliable quality, STANLEY delivers a kit that covers all the basics: a full-size hammer, utility knife, pliers, a bit driver with assorted bits, and Allen wrenches. Everything fits neatly into a molded plastic case, keeping tools secure, organized, and easy to access. Its lightweight design makes it convenient to store in a closet, carry from room to room, or even take on small projects outside the home. This set is ideal for first-time homeowners, renters, or anyone looking for a minimalist toolkit that still provides all the essential tools needed for general repairs and simple DIY tasks around the house. Number 4 is the DEKOPRO 158-piece General Household Hand Tool Kit, an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile toolkit that handles both home and light automotive tasks. It offers a broad selection of mechanic-grade tools, including sockets, a ratchet handle, wrenches, screwdrivers, and pliers, all designed for durability and performance. Each piece is chrome-plated and heat-treated, ensuring strength, long-lasting use, and resistance to rust or wear. This set stands out for its adaptability, whether you need tools for small household repairs, assembling furniture, or quick fixes in your garage. Compact yet comprehensive, it's ideal for anyone who wants to be prepared without overspending. DEKOPRO strikes a practical balance, providing high-quality functionality for everyday projects and minor mechanical work alike. Number 5 is the CRAFTSMAN 102-piece home tool kit, a reliable choice from one of America's most trusted tool brands. This kit offers a versatile selection, including screwdrivers, hex keys, a hammer, utility knife, tape measure, and a variety of 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive sockets. The compact, well-organized case keeps everything secure and easy to access, making it simple to grab the right tool when needed. Perfect for both household repairs and automotive tasks, this set handles a wide range of projects, from tightening cabinet hinges to basic car maintenance. With CRAFTSMAN's reputation for durability and precision, this kit provides dependable tools that make everyday repairs and DIY projects more efficient and stress-free. Thanks for watching our guide to the best home toolkits. We hope this helped you find the right set for your DIY projects and everyday repairs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful reviews. Have questions or want us to cover another toolkit? Drop a comment below. We'd love to help. Check the description box for all product links and extra details.